caress him.
Stay with me. We have Dr. BK in the house. He's the best doctor in the world. He'll be fine. Oh, you're dying.
Wake up, man.
Wake up, man. Wake up. Dr. BK, we need you. Dr. BK.
Help. Help, BK. Help. Help. Help, BK.
Or should I just get my mouth? You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
my mouth only?
Citizen Kane.
You got just my mouth. Or not my mouth, but you know. What do you think, Richie?
The monkey part of it.
Alright, ready? That was a good one. That was a good one. Are you recording?